Hello friends! My name is Carla. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to cook original Italian pasta. Let's start with me.
They say happiness is in simple things. For example, in a plate of perfect pasta, I open the package. The main rule is that we don't break the pasta. We cook it whole, like in Italy. I throw the pasta into boiling water and add salt. Cook for 3 to 5 minutes until done. While the pasta is cooking, I grate some hard cheese. I like to use Parmesan. It gives that creamy note. The pasta is ready. I drain the water and make sure to rinse it with cold water. This way it won't stick together and will be elastic. I peel the shrimp and put them directly on the hot pasta. This will be the base of our dish. I cut the cherry tomatoes in half and put them on a hot frying pan. They will fry slightly and give off their aroma and juice. I add grated cheese. Mix thoroughly so that each piece is in this aroma. I put it on a large plate. I advise you to decorate our pasta with basil leaves. That's it. Our pasta is ready.
I'm sure you can make this pasta at home. If you want to see more moments from my life, tap the link below this video. Have a great day, friends. Bye bye!